Thanks for tuning in, YouTube, man. Bring y'all another little cooking video today. Why not? Lots more stuff on the way though, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Thanks to all the subscribers that subscribe to me. Thanks to all the people that viewed me. It means so much to me, guys. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, makes me feel like my life is going in the way that it's supposed to be going. You know what I mean? Being a good person, holding down, taking care of your kids, just being a good person the world around. So I appreciate it. Thank y'all, man. We're gonna keep pushing, and yeah, let's eat some good food. Okay. Looking good. Saute them veggies up. Some sausages is cooking. Some sausages. Some rice is on. Stuffing's on. Peppers. All you do is gut them peppers. Mix everything together. Throw it in the oven, and you got a meal. Just like that, man. Left off wherever it left off. Put that there on. Push it. Put a jalapeno on there. Fresh chopped garlic.
Boy, you ugly as shit, nigga.
Boy, you look like the end of a pig foot, boy. You're ugly.
Boy, you look like a yo-yo.
I think it's funny how kids go from like being like that, being all loud, to like not even wanting to talk.
Right.
It's pretty funny. Well, just I'll take it easy on your eyes. I won't put no onion in it. Because if I cut into this, it's going to be burning up in here.
Right.
But that's good.
So that's cool, man. That's cool, man. Put your little beauty ass up under there.
Wow. Don't touch. No for you, my friend. Put rice on. Here. You know that it's so good to you. You put it right down, don't you? Cause it's fine. Burning in a mud. Here.
Stop lying. You don't even be smoking no gas, man. You be smoking banner, man.
The rice on. Got the stovetop savory herbs.
Bama, man. We smoke big loud over here. Loud man. Yeah, that's me.
And this is the mix, guys. Just gonna add the cheese, throw it in the stuffed pepper, and throw it in the oven. And y'all will see how it looks when it comes out the oven. Oh God.
That's it, man! Hey!
Leave the tree. Leave
Around half of us don't brush twice a day, but Purple Electric toothbrush fixes that. It has a wireless design that won't let you down, and a cover that makes on-the-go brushing a breeze. Shop Clip on $25 and get your first refill free at getclip.com/clip.
Lavar. Take it to the baby boy. You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm chilling. Get enough to eat. Still some more applesauce in there for you. And some stuffing. You love those things. Better get it while it's hot, boy. And cold. Alright. I'm out of here. See you out there. Hey. Here are the beautiful peppers. Bomb, bro. Super good. Look at that. Mouth-watering stuffed bell peppers with spinach cheddar chicken sausage, stovetop stuffing, rice, sauteed carrots, celery, jalapenos, mushrooms, and freshly chopped garlic. Boy! Oh, and I put a little secret in there, but I can't get that away. Because I might be selling these. Just so y'all know, I don't play in this kitchen. Any beef you have, you want to bring some cooking channels, you want to do this, I'm just playing. No, for real though, I get down. Check this out, bro. I don't play. And some peppers. That is how they look afterwards. And if you were tasting these bad boys, wee! I also got some chicken over here fried. That secret recipe with hers. I don't play.
And fried chicken in this motherfucker. Give me a leg. Sweet potato pie stuff.
So, making my kid a little healthy but good little dinner. He likes different stuff. You know what I mean? Like, he likes different stuff, so we're gonna do. I don't know if y'all can vote. My bad. I guess I should turn it the right way. With cheddar, and some tuna, man. You know what I mean? He loves tuna, so yeah. That's what daddies do. You know what I'm talking about? It goes down in the DM. No, but yeah. You want to make your kid a little something good and quick, even for yourself too. Like, this is what you want to do, man. For sure. Sure. You know how they do, bro. You flip them over, you get that golden brown. Just like me, golden brown. Yes, sir. And he gonna love it. My kid loves it. I already know he gonna love it. He ain't even had it yet, but I already know he gonna love it because he love tuna fish and he love cheese and he love toast and he love grilled cheese. So yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh, you already know. Every day, man, whether I'm the video or not, man, this is what I am doing. Whipping up some good ass food. Beep. See what it is, man. Beer brats, grilled onions. Oh, but I'm not done. Check this out. Yeah. That boy don't play in that kitchen. That boy don't play in that kitchen. Yes, sir. Oh, I ain't done yet. Oh, we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. So check these. These are stuffed biscuits, bruh. Buttermilk biscuits stuffed with sausage. And then you can put, like, you can fry egg, put it on top with some cheddar cheese. Fire. Look forward to those. There's some homemade fries. Yes, sir. Homemade. Hella bomb, bro. Season them bitches just right. Then we have this. And that's what you get, guys. I love some regular ones there for jelly. And then there's the stuffed sausage ones. You can see it right in there. Fire! Y'all go like and subscribe. Go like and subscribe, man. Thank y'all for all the love, the subscribers, all the love, man. Ain't nobody got time for the negativity. There's always gonna be haters. Always gonna be somebody want to say some foul something on your channel or whatever stuff. But right now, guys, I'm just gonna leave my comments disabled because I ain't got time for that, and I don't want to go out. You know what I mean? Somebody try to trick me out my character. You know what I mean? Like, I can't. Ain't nobody trying to do that. I ain't trying to do that. So I'm gonna keep y'all informed, though. We're gonna keep pumping. We got some challenges coming on the way. Stay tuned. Next week we are dropping challenges. Oh,
Cry baby on the swamp, got the exit lock, and ain't no doubt coming out. He gon' wreck it, not pass me the